sorry, what? 97% of people said their skin felt softer after just one use. And I agree. For those of you who don't recognize me, my name's Autumn Estelle. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a professional makeup artist of over 10 years, and I'm Benefits National Brown Beauty Authority. Y'all, we did it. We did it. Throw everything else away. I already did. This is your everything product. Meet shrink wrap. Now, the best way that I can explain shrink wrap is if you put your slugging hat on. Do we know what slugging is? That super trendy technique where people layered serums after serums and then encapsulated everything in a thick jelly. Do we remember this? Benefit said, oh, okay, we like that, but we can make it easier for y'all. And that's exactly what they did with shrink wrap. Shrink wrap is an overnight pore treatment with powerful exfoliation ingredients that gives you the glow you've been looking for by locking in moisture with a jelly treatment glaze. Post face wash, spread 2 to 3 pumps evenly onto the face 30 minutes before bed. We recommend using this alone without moisturizers or serums for best results. Leave on overnight for at least 8 hours and rinse off in the morning, followed by moisturizing and applying your favorite SPF. And honey, when I tell you, you will be waking up with the softest, tightest, most fabulous looking skin. Listen, the results are almost indescribable, so I'm gonna need you to go try it, come back, and let us know what you thought.